Next, we'll try to calculate the quantities of various items of work. So, for any estimating problem, we need to first prepare this chart. The chart consists of serial number, item, number, length, breadth, height, quantity, and then finally remarks. So, this table we need to prepare first of all. So, the item number 1 is called artwork in excavation in foundation. So, for this, we'll have to calculate the quantities of artwork in excavation in foundation separately for rooms and veranda. Okay, so first of all, let us come to the rooms. So in the rooms, we have already found out the length of the long wall, center to center length of the long wall and short wall separately. Okay, so first of all, for the rooms, let us calculate the quantities of artwork in excavation in foundation for the long walls. How many long walls are there in the rooms? 1, 1 and 2. So there are 2 long walls in the rooms. So number is 2. Okay. Now, how to calculate the length of the long walls? It is given in my previous video. The expression to find out the length of the long wall is center to center length plus 1 breadth. This expression, this formula was given in the previous video. So length of long wall is equal to center to center length of the long wall plus 1 breadth of that particular item. Okay, so center to center length we have already found out. Center to center length of the long walls for the rooms is 8 meter. So center to center length is 8 meter plus 1 breadth. So what is the breadth of artwork in excavation in foundation? For that we'll have to go to this drawing. What is the breadth of artwork in excavation? So for foundation, the amount of artwork that needs to be excavated, so this is the trench. This is the trench that we have to dig. Okay, so the breadth of this foundation trench is 1.5 meter and the height is 0.1 plus 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 0.1. So this is the height of the trench and this is the breadth of the trench. This we need to dig out. Okay, so the breadth of artwork in excavation in foundation is 1.5 meter. So let us come here. Center to center length plus 1 breadth. Center to center length we have already found out to be 8 meters here. So center to center length of the long wall is 8 meter plus 1 breadth is 1.5. So 8 plus 1.5 is 9.5. So number of long wall is 2, length is 9.5, breadth we have already said breadth is 1.5, and the height. So what is the height of artwork in excavation? 0.1 plus 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 0.1. Ultimately this is 0.7. This is 0.7. So the height of artwork in excavation is 0.7 and the breadth of artwork in excavation is 1.5. So let us come here. Under the height column we'll write 0.7. So 2 into 9.5 into 1.5 into 0.7, we'll find this 19.95 cubic meter. So let us come to the short walls. How many short walls are there in the rooms? 1, 2 and 3. So number is 3. Under the number column we will write 3. So what is the center to center length of the short wall? It is 4.25. So length of short wall, it is already mentioned in the previous video. Center to center length minus 1 breadth. So center to center length of the short wall is found out to be 4.25 and breadth, as I have already mentioned, breadth of the artwork in excavation is 1.5. So 4.25 minus 1.5, ultimately this length comes out to be 2.75. So the length comes out to be 2.75. So under the length column we will write 2.75. Number is 3. Breadth I have already mentioned 1.5. Height I have already mentioned 0.7. So the number into length into breadth into height, the quantity comes out to be 8.66 cubic meter. So just like that, let us come to veranda. In veranda there is one long wall. This is the long wall we are talking about. There is only one long wall in veranda. Length is same just like the previous case. Here 9.5. Here also the length is 9.5. 8 plus 1.5. Just like this one, the length will be same of the long wall. So length is 9.5, breadth is 1.5, and height is 0.7, just like this case. Okay, then comes to the short walls. Number of short wall is 2, as we can see. Only 2, short wall number 1 and short wall number 2. So we need to find out the length of the short wall. What is the center to center length of the short wall for veranda? It is 2.75. So 2.75. What is the expression to find out the length of short wall? Center to center length minus 1 breadth. Center to center length minus 1 breadth. So center to center length is 2.75 and 1 breadth is 1.5. So 2.75 minus 1.5, the length comes out to be 1.25 meters. So under the length column we will write 1.25. Breadth we already know. It is 1.5. Height we already know it is 0.7. So 2 into 1.25 into 1.5 into 0.7, the total quantity comes out to be 2.625 cubic meter. And we need to add all these quantities to find out the total earthwork in excavation in foundation for rooms and verandas combined. So under serial number 1, the total quantity comes out to be 41.2 cubic meter.